Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today I have something really special. It's a quick unboxing. These two pieces, this is a t-shirt and this is the shorts, and this is from the FCRB BAPE collaboration series that came out I think last month ago. I did a previous unboxing of one of the items from that collection. Check out the video in the link description. So today I'll be looking at these two, and these two are actually kind of a unique type of design. Similarly, it comes as a set, I believe, and let's have a look at it together. So this is the t-shirt, and if you open it you realize that this has a unique kind of a, as you can see here, this is a football jersey. You got the BAPE logo and the Bristol FCRB branding right here. This is made of plastic, and you got the BAPE star and the star right here, and the branding here as well. Right in front you've got the FCR BAPE, but just tag on the ape at the end. Right there, it's got that gradient look, similarly with the shorts, so you can wear this as a single kind of uniform piece. Right there, it's got the ABC Camo design. Behind it you've got the typical BAPE line camo piece of paper. Move that to the side. So on the left sleeve you have the unique FCRB BAPE logo. You got the BAPE hang tag, and right here the neck liner you've got the FCRB BAPE as well, the logo right here. I got this in the double XL because this, I understand, is a quite a fitting piece, because again this is a soccer jersey, right, compared to the other piece that I got, which is a normal t-shirt. But they're all very breathable. It's got that kind of unique climber cool Adidas type of breathability. So at the back you got this huge logo here, FCR BAPE 938, of course combination of the 93 year where BAPE was founded, and 8. So at the bottom you get the additional branding details, you get the BAPE head and the Bristol branding. So let's look at the wash tags. Right there, as you can see. So SOPH, the company that makes this FCRB BAPE fitting outfits, made in China. So I like this gradient design. It's very unique, as you can see there. Very nice, very unique. Definitely a catchy type of color and design. Okay, so let's move on to the shorts. So the shorts typically have a bigger dust bag like this one, similarly with the shark shorts and all that. That line camo paper as always. This is the front, as you can see here. It's got a very nice gradient design as well. You can't go wrong with ABC Camo Green. That's what I consider the official colorway of the BAPE brand. On the left side you got the ape head. On the right side you got the Bristol embroidery piece here. Again, this is plastic. BAPE star branding here. Of course, the ABC Camo hang tag, all that good stuff. And something unique about this t-shirt, you got this plastic little thingy here where you can hook stuff. Pretty standard. It's only on the right side. On the inside you got on the back you got the FCRB ape, which is nice. On the inside you got this mini little pouch, which is real cool. You can put your keys and whatnot, but you can't actually zip it up. It just closes based on that, which is very nice. And on the inside you got a wash tag, the BAPE branding, double XL. So this one I believe is made in China as well. So yep, hope you like the video. Subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. Follow me on IG at LKHOE23, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I forgot to mention that there are 2 pockets inside. Very nice lining there. And I don't think this comes with the inner underwear. No, it doesn't, which is good. Alright, so the back here, FCRB BAPE. Very nice, very high quality as you expect from SOPH and BAPE as well. But I believe these 2 pieces are made by SOPH.net. Alright, so follow me on IG at LKHOE23, and you catch you guys in the next video. See ya.